Today we're taking a look at the EAMPLEST sun visor kit. This is for the Jeep JL. It helps repair those old saggy sun visors. Mine happens to be alright, but I'm going to go ahead and add the reinforcement now. This was provided to me for demonstrated purposes. As you can see, the box comes with everything you need. It's got the tools, the screws to have an extended reach to apply the plates themselves. It has your instructions manual. Make sure to pay attention to this. It tells you what you need to do. And then also it has the warranty card if you want to register that. As you can see, this is a beautiful machined aluminum that has the American flag printed on it. This is some high quality material and it feels very sturdy when it's in your hands. Perfect for making your sun visor more sturdy. To start, all you got to do is pull down your sun visor and kind of slide it out of the way. You might need to move it throughout the process. In order to unblock the screws, take the big star key and you're going to go ahead and remove the two screws from the sun visor itself. Now these screws, you're going to remove them and you will not be using them again. Instead, you will be using the ones that come with the kit. Make sure to have an extra pair of hands handy or prepare to hold the visor while you slide the new plate on top of the sun visor, just outside of the plastic that already exists. Again, this is not a replacement. It is going to help reinforce the overall plastic that's holding the sun visor up. Once you have that on, get it realigned and go ahead and screw in the new screws that came with the kit using the smaller hex key. Make sure to screw it in so that it's nice and tight and nothing is loose in the sun visor. The sun visor will have a little bit of natural wiggle. That is from the mount itself. That is not from the plate. That happens when you have this kit on or you don't have the kit on. So just be advised that is expected behavior. For the right hand side, you're going to do the same thing. You can see that wiggle there that I was talking about. I was trying to speed things up, so I used my little power screwdriver to unscrew the original bolts. And now once again, I'm going to slide over the right hand side plate. And you can see that by the R. And then I'm going to put it back into place. Put the newly provided screws back in, and then I'm going to make sure those screws again are nice and tight. If you need to get a little bit more leverage, instead of using the key in the vertical position, you can go ahead and put it in the horizontal, and using it in the horizontal will give you a lot more leverage to tighten down that screw. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this kit. I feel like it's going to add some good life to my Jeep sun visor, and hopefully I won't run into the problem. I've solved it before it'll even start. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments down below. Like it if you found the video helpful. And most importantly, have a great day.